Alright, just a quick update. It's kind of windy right now, so I don't know how you're going to hear this very well. But, doing some engine work, need to put a new crankshaft. And I was just getting rid of this EGR valve. So, big issue with 3800 Series 2s is the EGR valve. The tube will crack right around here, usually on this top end, not really on the bottom one right here. But you'll also have the valve break, so it'll either stay closed or stay opened. If it stays open, that's not very good, because then you're siphoning hot exhaust fumes into the intake. But this all can be easily fixed with an ECU tune to remove it from the computer, so you don't get a code. And also, Hawks Motorsports makes these little fancy EGR block-off plates. Super easy, just plop right on. Put one on here, up on the top of the manifold, and then put one there on the exhaust manifold, which can't really get this in here. Previous mechanic broke off that bolt right there, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. Pain in the ass. And yeah, this makes it a lot easier to get to the thermostat housing, because you used to have to be very, very, very gentle in getting that. But it just goes right on here, bolts right in. What?